For some years now we have had stablecoins like USDT and USDC pegged against the dollar to give us a form of cryptocurrency that can be stable over time and used as a means of common exchange, not volatile and safe to transact with. And this is not because we can't buy and sell with other tokens. It just gives more stability, much more like the name's supposed stablecoin. Okay, imagine you bought a pair of shoes from a store using 1 BTC as at 2011, or you bought a pizza using 0.1 BTC as at 2014. By now you will be kind furious at that decision looking at the value of BTC today. That doesn't mean such scenarios are not happening in the fiat currency system through inflation, but that is a different topic entirely. While stablecoins are pegged to the fiat USD currency and many other currencies like euro, some people have come together to bring up an idea of a stablecoin that is not pegged to a fiat currency, and that for me seems super interesting. Today we would be discussing Ethena, an Ethereum-based internet bond, with the aim of building a decentralized stablecoin called USDE. In this video, you will learn what it means, how it works, the potential, and lastly I will share my opinion about this product. In the meantime, kindly note that this video is sponsored by the like button, so please hit that like button to help us stimulate the algorithm, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics. So let's get down to it. What exactly is Ethena? Ethena is a synthetic dollar protocol developed on the Ethereum blockchain, offering a new breed of stablecoin called USDE. Unlike traditional stablecoins like USDC or USDT, USDE is not pegged to fiat currencies. Instead, it is a synthetic dollar collateralized with crypto assets and short futures positions. This unique approach enables Ethena to provide a censorship-resistant, scalable, and stable form of digital money. The fact is that the world of cryptocurrency has long been in need of a decentralized base money asset that is not reliant on traditional banking infrastructure. While stablecoins have emerged as a crucial financial instrument within the crypto ecosystem, they still remain tied to centralized systems, posing risks such as custodial failures and regulatory challenges. Ethena aims to address these issues by providing a scalable crypto-native form of money that is censorship-resistant and not dependent on traditional banking infrastructure. By doing so, it seeks to lay the foundation for a truly decentralized financial system that can operate at scale. So, how does this work? At the core of Ethena lies the USD token, a synthetic dollar that is fully backed, transparently on-chain, and free to use in DeFi. The stability of USDE is ensured through a mechanism known as delta hedging, which involves offsetting the price change risk of the collateral assets with corresponding short futures positions. To help you understand better, let's use an analogy. Let's imagine you're a savvy investor managing a diverse portfolio of stocks. Each stock represents an asset backing the USDE token. Now, the market is dynamic, and stock prices can fluctuate. This volatility poses a challenge in maintaining the stability of your portfolio, much like the stability of USDE. Here's where delta hedging comes in. It's akin to employing a financial strategy that involves both owning stocks and taking short positions in related futures contracts. When the value of one stock in your portfolio changes, you adjust your futures positions accordingly to offset the risk. Think of it as sailing a ship through turbulent waters. As the winds shift, you adjust the sails to keep the vessel on course. In the same vein, delta hedging allows Ethena to navigate the unpredictable seas of the market, ensuring that the USDE remains steady and reliable for users in the realm of DeFi. Just as a skilled sailor anticipates and counteracts the forces of nature, Ethena employs delta hedging to anticipate and counteract market fluctuations, safeguarding the stability of USDE for all who rely on it. Now let's talk about the ENA token. The token is primarily designed for governance and utility within its ecosystem and as a mechanism to incentivize participation and investment in the protocol. The maximum supply is currently unknown. The total supply is 15 billion, while the current circulating supply is 1.4 billion, with a market capitalization of 1.1 billion, and currently selling at almost $1. Guys, let's close this with my opinion. I believe this is an impressive idea and concept that could have a huge impact on the DeFi and blockchain space as a whole. the system used is more like edging against a collection of assets. And while that is not so bad on its own, you still could not tell what stability it will bring to such token. On a positive note, it could actually be a great way to create something that would be used as currency out there, because Bitcoin is already becoming a store of value. I can imagine using USDE for a purchase of pizza or plane ticket to Bahamas. However, the question I have is around the unknown maximum supply, and if other people will come up with something similar. Furthermore, can we have ATM cards using such tokens? To be sincere, the future of banking is something that could work around something like USDE's sort of currency instead of the stablecoins pegged to the fiat currency. On the long run, are we going to be able to peg stablecoins against the Bitcoin? Not sure how that will work, but let me know what you think in the comments section.
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.